Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some good trades as per usual. Let's dive in a little bit into some GameStop analysis. Actually, live today in the markets. Wasn't able to do it last night, but we'll get to it today midday. Right now, GameStop kind of got a little bit of a pop here. We came from 22.87 all the way to 23.59. Moves kind of fading at the moment. I was actually checking the dark pools, and we kind of got some big order today on the dark pools at 22.90, and then another one at, what is that, 23.16. So 352,000 shares here, 341,000 shares there. So it looks like someone just kind of like bought and then sold right away. But largest trades, 10 largest ones, not in the last 7 days. Well, we get a bit of a bigger range. The last 30 days, kind of all at the bottom here, right? And now we're back above like some of these prints at the bottom. We'll have to see if we hold above. I think some of these large prints are 1 million shares, 1.4, 800,000, 3 million shares, 2 million shares, basically 5 million shares at the lows, and all kind of in this range. So let's see if we actually end up breaking out today. But I mean, it's kind of a waiting game, and it's making investors and people who are buying calls really lose their patience. They're getting kind of angry because the pump is not continuing, and I guess they're just losing it. All right, that's just my opinion, and people are getting angry. And my analysis doesn't really give you timing. It kind of just gives you the areas that we're in to accumulate and to sell. And again, this is probably just another accumulation zone. We'll take a look at the weekly to see what this week is saying. So the bearishness is actually, is it slowing down? No, it's actually accelerating a little bit this week. You can see we're cutting back into red money flow. The monthly candle actually shifted from being bullish to now being bearish. We actually have a 15 and a -5 on the dual band strength index. That's not too good. And well, I should take a look at the 4-day, the 3-day, 2-day, the daily, all kind of pointing down. Not the best indications in terms of momentum. All kind of slowing down and drifting lower at the moment. 1 hour time frame still has some green money flow, although not a lot. Not a lot of green money flow, just a little bit. Momentum has come up a little bit. Here we need to really see some follow through and take out 24.48 and break out from this downsloping moving average here. Once we can get back above this, the uptrend will continue. But for now, it's in an accumulation zone. It's testing investors' patience, and it's just, there's nothing really to talk about. It's just a waiting game. And we'll take a look at GameStop here on Wave Edge to see if we have any new weekly signals. So we've got that green cross. Nothing else has happened since then. On the weekly, the new monthly candle, there's no new signals as well. The daily, I don't see any new signals. The 4 hour, the 1 hour. You got a couple green crosses here at the lows, and you got a small, some small pump. 15-minute. Yeah, you saw some dip buyers come in after this drop from 24 to 22. So some dip buyers come in here, and then you got some sort of reaction. That's good. 5-minute. Yeah, tons of actually big buying here on this drop. Lots of buyers came in, and now you got that reaction. Are we gonna get another leg higher? We could, but just gotta wait for the impulse to start and buy on the dips until otherwise, right? So far so good. Anyways, that's kind of it for me. Like, I don't really have very complex analysis today. Nothing has really changed. Just gonna continue and to buy on these little drops that we get and see it as opportunities to load up on positions, and I'll just continue to keep you guys up to date. That's it. Peace. Have a good day.